Hello again from Central Florida. Today is August 10th and it is miserable outside. It is muggy and it is buggy. It is beetle season. I have the big beetles and they're flying everywhere. You can probably see, along with everything else. But I wanted to do an update on my Puerto Rican black beans. So if you've seen the previous video, I had no idea they were going to grow like they did. And you'll see, we just started getting some massive amount of rain the past couple days. So everything is soaked. I wanted to show you something really quick before I get to the black beans. It has been so hot that my banana leaves are actually burning. Has anyone else having this problem? I've never had this problem ever since I've been growing these, and I've been growing them about 5-6 years, and every tree has burnt leaves. It's sad, but I don't know. What can you do? Anyways, let's go to the Puerto Rican black beans. Oh, there's a beetle in here. Oh God. I'm gonna have to go around the truck here. You can see more. They're burning. There is great big beetles everywhere. So yeah, this is gonna be, anyways, this is one Puerto Rican black bean. If you've seen my first video, people, look at, it's all the way up in the papaya. I can't reach up there. And look at all the beans on it. It's also come over, and it's all the way all over my mulberry. Look at the bean. There's a bean. I gotta pick that today. There's beans in there from one plant. One Puerto Rican black bean has done all this. I had no idea it would do this. So this has been a learning experience, but I know what I'm going to do next year. So let's go down, and there was another one that got planted over here. Oh gosh, they're everywhere. These big Japanese beetles. I don't know what they are, and I got a wasp over here. Okay, anyways, I tied a string around the papayas. I'm going to run through here. So I tied a string, and look at them all. It just, every couple days I have to come over here and tie it back up there and pick beans. Oh my God, these beetles and butterflies and wasps are everywhere right now. I don't come out here often. So that is a total of 2 Puerto Rican black beans. That's what I did with them. Down in the ground is sweet potato. Some of it is black bean. Some of it is sweet potato. I can tell. Oh God, look at the beetles everywhere. They don't last long. I go through this every summer. Oh my gosh, little papayas. But look at that one. It is crazy. And then the other one over here. I'm telling you. So I know what I'm going to do next year. I am going to string poles and string or fencing all the way down this bed. And next summer, I am going to grow enough Puerto Rican black beans to feed me, oh God, and my husband for a year. Because they absolutely love this heat. No bugs bother them. I haven't had any pest problem whatsoever. And look at them, they're thriving. Look how green and lush. They love it. I come out here every other day and pick at least a can or 2 of beans. That's crazy. It is absolutely insane. When I'm done with this video, I gotta go pick some beans. And it just keeps growing. It's not even slowing down. It's not stopping. It keeps growing. You can see the ends. They keep growing. I keep throwing them up there. So if you live in a very hot, muggy climate like here in Central Florida, I am in Plant City, Florida, which is in between Tampa and Lakeland. Oh gosh. Oh, and they're thriving. And I planted them in May, I believe around May. And they were a little slow starting because it was still cool. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I have to go. These beetles are everywhere. Oh, Puerto Rican black beans. Grow some.